pasok na ho itong factor na to na pwede
but
na ho
we
yung
have not,
89.
we have not yet enacted this into law.
Yeah, no, I'm using it as an example, sir.
Yeah.
I'm using it as an example na if today the law had already been passed and you and I, in fact, are the DBCC members who are
On the
now
assumption that
looking at
naipasa
it.
na.
Opo,
Okay.
opo, yeah. Thank you for that clarification. Ang point ko is napasa na, tapos tiningnan nila, uy, as of now, nag-exceed na ng $80 per barrel, then they decide to recommend. So they have recommended it already. Yun yung first step na kinakla. So pasok na yun ngayon. That is the part na sagot ko po dun sa batas. Hindi yan agad mararamdaman kahit na i-announce. So, what is the estimate? Like, do they keep a supply of 5 days, 10 days, 30 days? Or nobody knows?
That's exactly my point, Mr. President.
So,
we do not know that, no?
So that answer, Mr. President, yun na ho yung sagot. Kasi mula nung tinanong nyo how many minutes has passed, hindi pa ho ako mabigyan ng clear answer. Basically, walang makakapagsabi for sure kung kailan. Pero ano, range man lang.
Yeah, at least like an
5
estimate.
days, 10 days,
Yeah.
30 days. Importante ho yung tanong nyo kasi at the end of the day, it's how people will perceive this, the value to them of this passage of the bill. And if I may just add and fill in the silence as we wait for the answer, this is 136 billion of foregone revenue.
What?
So kailangan maramdaman ng tao.
Yes. While waiting for the response, Mr. President, ituloy ko na yung aking...
So may sagot na po tayo, Mr. President. Pero baka gusto nyo pong umupo lahat. Kasi what we have been discussing in the hearing and in caucus is what is the value of this foregone revenue to our people. Okay? And ang tanong nyo is when will they feel it? Ang sagot po ay around 30 to 45 days.
Wow. After the 30-day, after the 1-month period.
After the
Ng monitoring.
Yes, after the decision has been made. So
Yes.
the monitor, there are the numbers are there for the recommendation to be made 30 to 45 days after the suspension.
So, the people or the consumers will have to wait for 2 months and 15 days.
30 to 45 days. Hindi po.
Yun
1
yung
month.
administrative.
1 to 1.5.
After the 1-month period.
Pero yung 1 month period, sir, kasi can happen immediately because it's the past 30 days eh. So from the time na ma-authorize natin sila and the going rate now, meron na silang 30 days data. Meron na eh. So from the time that this becomes a law, they could potentially suspend the excise tax.
But, you know, Mr. President, it is so provided under this measure na 1-month period yung kailangan mag-monitor sila ng average price na $80 or more.
Yes, sir. Pero that includes the preceding. So as we speak, kasama tong mga araw na to. Hindi natin kailangan ipasa tapos saka sila magbibilang ng 30 days. Kasama po ang immediately preceding. Even while
Then
the law
we're already
was...
implementing a law that has not been passed.
No, you are looking at the data in the immediately preceding days, and the law is clear. As long as clear ho yan sa batas na what 30-day period are we looking at. His Honor can make a recommendation. Wala naman hong problema yon if His Honor wants it to be in the next 30 days. But so far, ang ano natin, it's not prospective. We are monitoring the last 30 days. So immediate naman po ang action because as we discuss the law, the price is going up.
Yes, if my understanding is correct or accurate, do you mean to say that they are already starting to monitor right now?
Yes, sir. Of course, yes, sir. That is
That's my
accurate,
point.
Mr. President.
Wala pa yung batas, ini-implement na natin kasi nagmo-monitor na
Ay, hindi
sila.
po. They cannot implement because we have no law that authorizes any suspension. But it is their job to monitor. Job naman po ng DOE yun. Nasa batas naman po nasa mandate po ng DOE for them to monitor.
Okay, I will not belabor that point, but ang proposal ko po is, kung kaya, no, baka pwedeng i-clear natin yung 1-month period to 2 weeks para mas mabilis. Say, in 2 weeks time, nag-average siya ng $80 or more sa yung Dubai crude oil per barrel, ano? So baka pwedeng after 2 weeks, maggawa na sila ng recommendation because these are extraordinary times. Hindi ito yung normal na nag-COVID o kaya medyo tumaas lang yung presyo ng langis. But, you know, we don't even know how much more the world price of crude oil will rise, will increase because of the Iran situation. So ang suggestion ko po at the proper time, of course, iksiyan natin yung 1 month period because in the House version and in the Senate version, it's both 1 month period of monitoring and averaging. Baka naman pwedeng isaan natin ng 2 weeks. After 2 weeks na nag-average siya ng $80 or more, mag-recommend na sila sa Presidente, mag-meet na yung DBCC, mag-recommend na sila sa Presidente para mas mabilis yung effect.
Actually, Mr. President, the response from the resource persons is that 30 days is really the standard monitoring period that they use. And it is irrelevant or unnecessary to shorten because it is always better to have a bigger range, no? And that time is ticking already. So like I said, Mr. President, if this becomes a law in 3 days, they already have a 30-day. It will kick in anyway. It will
Mr.
kick
President,
in.
with all due respect, 2 weeks is not irrelevant. No? It has a big effect on the consumers. Yung 2 weeks na matitipid mo sa pagkarga ng gas, malaking bagay po yun.
Mr. President, His Honor and I have the same intention for the consumers to feel the benefit of the law at the soonest possible time. The only reason this representation used the word irrelevant is because at this moment that formula has already kicked in. We already have the 30-day data. Wala na hong reason po na gawing 15 days because we have the 30-day data now, Mr. President.
Yeah.
So
I
whether we use 15 days or 30 days, the data is already available and it has already breached the $80 mark. So mararamdaman na ho ng consumer yon in the soonest possible time, given the regardless po kung 15 or 30 days, it will kick in already. Yun lang po sinasabi natin.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. President. Anyway, I'm just coming from, yung intent and purpose of this measure, yung mapakinabangan agad ng mga consumers. Kaya gusto ko sana kung maiksian natin yung for future reference, not necessarily now because as we speak, sabi nyo nga nagmo-monitor na.